Are you a person who is highly motivated, passionate, with love for tuning and customizing cars? Have you ever tricked out your own ride or watched Fast and Furious too many times? Are you someone with sales experience and strong customer service skills? Are you energetic and enthusiastic with a positive go-get-them attitude? We are looking for such an individual to join our sales team. We need someone who loves fast cars and can sell that passion to customers. The role is for someone who is organized with a sustained ability to learn on the job and is in it for the long term. For in this sales role, you'll be rewarded for initiative and talent. ATP is based on the Sunshine Coast, so you get all the perks of a coastal lifestyle. We offer a 5-day week, no weekends, it's Monday to Friday, and every day is different. Right now, our Australia Towbars and Performance are experiencing phenomenal growth in the areas of performance tuning, auto electrics, and we need new sales professional to work in our state-of-the-art offices. You'll get on-the-job training delivered daily as part of your induction. Our phone lines are red hot with inquiries, as CRM is bursting at the seams. So we need someone who knows performance and knows how to close a deal. So if you're highly motivated, have strong customer service skills and the ability to work on tight deadlines, and you have previous experience in similar sales role, then we want to hear from you. Your responsibilities will be the sale of premium European towbars and services, performance chip tuning, CRM sales and management, working closely with the team, strong customer service skills, retail and trade relationship building, liaising between manufacturers and suppliers, developing marketing strategies, and good social media skills. The benefits: excellent career prospects, great central location, drives traffic to the shop, friendly and supportive team, innovative business with unique product offering, technology-rich environment, and family-owned and orientated. On offer is a starting package of around 60k as very lucrative incentive scheme, taking the right person up to about 85k pretty easily, plus still other bonuses that become available after our training and qualifying period. And all of this for a 5-day week where you don't work past 5:30 at night. So, if this sounds like you and you think you've got what it takes, we're waiting to hear from you as the new next member of our team.